Birth control has got to be one of the worst possible things you could ever tell a young woman to take. It messes with their hormonal system on steroids. It messes with their libido. It messes with their skin. A lot of them gain weight. It just throws everything right off. I grew up in the 60s and 70s, and I saw lots of all kinds of different things happen to us as teenagers, particularly young women. And their parents were worried about them getting pregnant. They got them on birth control pills or whatever was going on with that, some kind of prophylactic, right? What we've learned now over the last 40 years is that birth control has got to be one of the worst possible things you could ever tell a young woman to take. It messes with their hormonal system on steroids, no pun intended. It messes with their libido. It messes with their skin. A lot of them gain weight. It just throws everything right off. We are not deficient from these stinking birth control pills when these young women get hit with that. And all these things that cause all these disruptions are because, first of all, people are not balanced in their thinking, their emotions are not dialed in properly, and then their physical body is getting pounded with all these toxins and they don't even know it. So these young women, instead of taking birth control, they should never touch it. Be more careful. Also get hydrated. Make sure you're eating the right clean foods. You don't need any of that garbage. The pharmaceutical industry makes billions of dollars off of these birth control pills, not by selling birth control pills, but by getting the woman's body messed up so as she ages, she ends up with all kinds of problems that they can sell more drugs to.